Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very well. For more elegant and more gorgeous videos, you look so perfectly and amazing designs. You look so stunning, so gorgeous videos. And this video is all about the crochet blouses design. Are so stunning and gorgeous videos. Are amazing ideas. You look so gorgeous videos and amazing videos, amazing ideas, amazing gorgeous videos. You look so amazing designs. You look so stunning videos, and this is so stunning top blouses and different. Are you like our videos? You look so elegant top blouses. If any videos related to our stunning videos, and two types के टॉप ब्लाउजेज होते हैं, कुछ लेस वर्क में होते हैं, कुछ क्रॉचेट वर्क में ही लेस वर्क होता है जो उसमें होते हैं, और कुछ इस टाइप्स के होते हैं. Are you so elegant videos? Are you amazing ideas? You look so perfectly and gorgeous videos, gorgeous ideas, are more stunning videos. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any gorgeous videos, or stunning ideas, and any videos related to elegance ideas, you look so amazing. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegance and more gorgeous videos. Are you like our videos? If any videos related to any matter or related to any gorgeous videos, so let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. For more elegant and more gorgeous videos, you look